Hello. Just got done watching the movie Talk to Me. It is from 2023, rated R. It is a 1 hour and 34-minute long horror film. It says a group of friends unleash terrifying supernatural forces when they become hooked on the new thrill of conjuring spirits with an embalmed hand. I thought this actually was a pretty good movie.
Yeah.
Very suspenseful. As far as like horror aspect, I didn't really think that it was very scary.
It was more the suspense side.
Yeah, it was more suspenseful than anything else. And then there was a little bit of gore, but I don't know. I'd say if you prefer movies with zero gore, then skip it, because there is a little bit.
A little bit. Nothing crazy though.
I would give this a 3 out of 5 easy.
Yeah, 3 out of 5 is a pretty solid number for this movie.
Yeah, I think they did a really good job with not just the casting, but the performances were good. The story was good. And technically, the way that they kind of ended it, it could potentially have future movies, sequels, show up.
Different actors and stuff.
Yeah. But, yeah, I thought it was a nice new take of conjuring spirits.
Yeah.
Why is it in movies when spirits come around, they're always, like, not kind?
Yeah. They've been tormented in the dark for a long time, I guess.
I guess.
And them coming out, they're just broken.
But, yeah, it's that typical, angry, revengeful spirit kind of thing. Yeah, I'd give it a recommend. I'll see if I can find a link for it. If I can, I'll link it below. If you've seen the movie Talk to Me, let me know what you thought of it. But yeah, I'd say if you like horror suspenses, this is one to check out. And if you don't like those types of movies, what kind of movies do you enjoy? What's your favorite kind of movie? Let me know down below. And maybe I'll watch your favorite genre next. And I'll see you in the next video.